Study what are the basic problems of an economy. Our economy is facing these problems since the days of Adam Smith to the present times. The decisions regarding what, how, who, and for whom. As we all know that there is scarcity of resources and our wants are unlimited. So the first problem that is what should be produced? In limited supply of labor and capital, what should be produced, whether consumer goods or capital goods? As how much wheat, rice should be produced, how many cars, tractors, mobiles should be produced. The second problem is how should goods and services be produced? The goods should be labor intensive. Labor intensive means that with the help of more labor, or capital intensive with the help of more machines or money. The third problem is who should produce which goods. Why surgical instruments be made by the workers of Wazirabad? Why sports goods be made by Sialkot city? Why person becomes doctor instead of engineer? People with specific skills should do or perform the specific work. Non-skilled will destroy or waste resources. For whom the goods and services should be produced. Whatever is being produced, whether it is for the labor class or for the elite class, whether the goods and services be produced for the entrepreneurs or for the consumers. In short, what, how, who, and for whom are the questions addressed in an economic system are considered as the basic problems of an economy. Governments, individuals, communities, states work hard to find solutions to these problems to give benefits or welfare to the people. In capitalist economies, these problems are solved through market mechanisms, whereas in socialist economies, they are tackled through planning or